Thank you. Mayor, case, please.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning, ma'am, sir.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Mr. O'Meara, you're not a party to this case, is that my memory?
My name is David Amos.
I'm sorry, Mr. Amos, you're not a party to this case, are you, sir?
Your Honor, you struck the wrong appearance. You struck a fraudulent document. I appeared on January the 2nd, not the 3rd. The clerk removed my proper original appearance from the public record, entered a fraudulent document.
Mr. Amos, let me ask you two questions, sir.
Yes.
One, are you a party to this action?
Most certainly.
Okay. Because you say I struck the wrong date.
Yes, you did.
Okay. Are you an attorney, sir?
I am her attorney in fact under Mass General Law 201B.
Okay.
I wish the court to make note that Jean O'Meara is present. It is her signature on this opposition to this motion. I merely served it as one of the parties.
And you merely what, sir? I couldn't hear you.
What the clerk of this court refused to file this morning is an opposition to a motion to be heard today. Jean O'Meara is present in court, and she did sign that document. I merely served it on her behalf. This court must file that document. Your clerk refused it.
Counsel, did you get notice of this opposition?
I had none of that.
That's not true. I was here, asked who the counsel was. The plaintiffs refused to point him out, so I served upon them. I watched them talk to him, and him attempt to talk to my wife.
Paragraph 3 of my order says, on January 3rd, 2003, David R. Amos, husband of the defendant, filed a notice of appearance on behalf of the defendant. What do you say to that, Mr. Amos?
I say that is not true. My name is David Amos. I appeared on January the 2nd. I asked you directly if you knew of Judge Sebatis recusing herself from the matter. You denied it. You will find a copy of her proper recusal admitting my power of attorney to speak on behalf of my wife. You then denied my appearance on behalf of a document filed by the clerk and the Sims attorneys on January the 3rd. That is not the original notice of appearance. That is merely the document that I'd served on the Sims attorneys before filing the matter properly in court. The original has since disappeared.
Mr. Amos, please, stop talking. I get a notice of appearance received January 3rd, 2003, signed by David R. Amos. Is that you, sir?
That is definitely my signature. That is my document served upon the Sims attorney. The clerk of this court committed perjury in federal court the minute he attested to that copy being the original and filed in federal court. You also stated...
Mr. O'Meara, I've struck your appearance, sir.
My name is David Amos.
I'm sorry. Mr. Amos, I have struck your appearance. You're not a party to this action. You're not an attorney licensed to practice law. You can step back behind the bar and discontinue speaking in these proceedings. Back on the record. Ma'am, would you raise your hand?
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Counsel, this is your motion, so
Yes, Your Honor. I've been appointed as commissioner to sell property at 37 Pond Avenue in Plymouth. It's come to my attention that there are a number of automobiles that are on the property, many of which are unregistered. There is personal property on the premises. I've been informed by petitioners that Ms. O'Meara and her family have moved into the house and have moved personal property into the property, changed the locks, have in essence made the property unsaleable without significant expenditures which a commissioner ordinarily would not spend money on. And so my order is requesting instructions from this court as to whether or not I can, or the respondents, or the plaintiff petitioners can remove the personal property. And we're requesting an order that Ms. O'Meara and family members vacate the premises so the property can be sold, and that we can change the locks and remove padlocks so that the property can be, personal property can be removed, automobiles can be removed, given the court various alternatives in terms of removing it to storage. And the motion also speaks to the issue as to whether or not the respondent should be charged for the removal of the personal property and/or storage.
Okay. Anything else that you want to represent, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Ma'am, I'll hear from you. You filed an appearance on your behalf, ma'am?
I assert my right under the Fifth Amendment and the Seventh Amendment to counsel, and I've chosen my husband to be my counsel.
He's not going to be your counsel, ma'am. We've already ruled on
He
that.
has half interest in everything of mine, Your Honor.
He's not a party to this action, ma'am. He's not a licensed practitioner before the bar. He's not going to be a lawyer in these proceedings.
I didn't say lawyer, I said my attorney.
He's not going to be your attorney in these proceedings. Is there anything that you want to say in response?
I assert my right under the Fifth Amendment and the Seventh Amendment.
Okay, I'll take that as a no. I'll take it under advisement. Thank you very much. I'll get my room.